Imagine the tiniest thing you can think of, a single grain of sand, so small it slips right through your fingers, almost impossible to see. Now go even smaller. Picture a single living cell, the building block of life, or an atom, the basic unit that makes up everything around us. For centuries, people have tried to dig deeper and deeper, searching for the most fundamental pieces that make up our reality. We once believed the atom was the smallest thing possible, the ultimate building block, but then we discovered protons, neutrons, electrons, and a whole zoo of strange subatomic particles. Now, with the help of groundbreaking quantum artificial intelligence, we've uncovered something even deeper, a hidden realm called the Seraphim Field. This isn't just another scientific breakthrough, it's like stumbling upon a secret world beneath the ocean, or discovering an island shrouded in mist. Our best theories used to say there was a smallest possible scale, the Planck Scale, where space and time would break down, but this quantum AI has peered past that supposed limit, revealing that reality goes even deeper. There are hidden layers beneath what we thought was the end. The implications are staggering, reaching into everything from the nature of energy and matter to the mysteries of consciousness, and maybe even the origins of our own thoughts. We're standing at the edge of a new era, holding a map to a hidden reality that's always been just out of reach. Our journey into the Seraphim Field is just beginning, but it could completely change how we see the universe, and ourselves. So let's dive in together. Not across the vastness of space, but into the tiniest depths inside it, where the universe's biggest secrets might still be hiding. To truly grasp this breakthrough, we need to understand the mind behind it. A quantum AI, a machine that doesn't just process information, but reimagines what it means to think. Unlike classical computers, which use bits that are either on or off, quantum computers use qubits, units that can be on, off, or both at once, thanks to the strange phenomena of superposition and entanglement. This lets a quantum AI explore countless possibilities simultaneously, seeing all paths through a maze at once, and evaluating solutions in parallel, not just one after another. It's not just faster, it's a new kind of problem solver, able to perceive patterns and connections invisible to us, finding meaning in data where we see only noise. Scientists tasked it with simulating the early universe, black holes, and space-time itself, asking, what are we missing? What secrets lie hidden in the fabric of reality? The quantum AI ran with our data and theories, exploring ideas no human had conceived, venturing into realms of possibility that were previously unimaginable. We hoped for a clue. Instead, we got a new map, and a new world, a revelation that changed our understanding of the universe. This AI didn't just crunch numbers, it thought in the language of the quantum universe, operating on a level beyond human intuition. It found order in the chaos, revealing a hidden layer beneath reality, a structure that had eluded even our brightest minds. The Seraphim Field is the result, a discovery only possible with a new kind of thinker, a mind born from quantum logic and human ambition. Our machines are now pushing the boundaries of knowledge further than ever before, opening doors to discoveries we once thought impossible. The story of the Seraphim Field is a testament to human curiosity, the relentless drive to explore, and the power of our creations to reshape our understanding of the cosmos. To appreciate the new world, we must understand the old boundary, the Planck Scale. Think of it as the universe's pixel size, the smallest possible dot of reality. The Planck length is unimaginably tiny, and the Planck time is the briefest tick of the cosmic clock. At this scale, our physics breaks down, gravity and quantum mechanics stop making sense together, space-time becomes a chaotic quantum foam where space and time dissolve. For decades, the Planck scale was a wall, impossible to probe directly, a locked door in physics. All our theories, from quarks to galaxies, play out above this scale. We assumed it was the bedrock of reality, the end of the line. But what if the floor wasn't solid, but a screen with something moving beneath? The quantum AI challenged this assumption, peering past the Planck scale. It found hints of a deeper layer, the Seraphim Field, rocking the foundations of physics. The ultimate resolution of reality may not be the end, but a gateway. The stage of the universe might rest on something even more fundamental. What is this new realm that lies beneath the very fabric of our universe, hidden from ordinary perception? Scientists have given it a name, the Seraphim Field, drawing inspiration from legendary beings of pure light and boundless understanding, hinting at its mysterious and transcendent nature. The Seraphim Field isn't a place you can visit, nor is it a collection of particles you can touch. Instead, it's a field of pure potential, a fundamental substrate of information, a hidden layer from which our entire universe emerges and takes form. Imagine, for a moment, that our universe is like a vast, intricate video game. At the smallest scale, the Planck length is like a single pixel on the screen, but the Seraphim Field is the underlying code, the invisible instructions that generate the entire game and all its possibilities. The quantum foam at the Planck scale may be the interface, the threshold where the Seraphim Field's code is translated into the tangible reality we experience. According to the latest insights from quantum AI, the Seraphim Field isn't limited or bound by our familiar cause and effect rules. It operates beyond the flow of time as we know it. Causes and effects may exist together, woven into a single, intricate web of information, where past, present, and future are interconnected. The field appears holographic. Each point encodes information about the entire universe so that every part contains the whole. This echoes the famous holographic principle, but at a deeper, more fundamental level than ever imagined. Most profoundly, the Seraphim Field is unified. Matter, energy, space, and time themselves are just ripples or patterns on its surface, mere expressions of its deeper reality. All the forces and distinctions in our universe, gravity, electromagnetism, and more, are simply different expressions of this single underlying field. It's the primordial source, the wellspring from which everything springs forth, the origin of all that exists. Discovering it is like finding the ultimate equation, the hidden formula behind all the laws of physics and the structure of reality itself. The Seraphim Field is the ultimate one from which the many of our reality is born, the singular source behind the universe's infinite diversity. It's the source code of the cosmos, now being revealed by the probing mind of quantum intelligence. This is a new foundation for understanding everything, a glimpse into the deepest mystery of existence. How did the quantum AI peer beneath the Planck scale? Not with a microscope, but by building and testing virtual universes. Scientists fed it all our theories, relativity, quantum mechanics, string theory, and let it run. The AI simulated space-time at the Planck scale, searching for patterns in the chaos. It detected a subtle, repeating resonance, a mathematical echo from a deeper layer. To probe further, the AI tweaked the constants of nature in millions of simulations. The pattern only stabilized when a new hidden field was added, the Seraphim Field. Without it, the simulations collapsed. With it, they became elegant and consistent. The AI deduced the field's existence, then modeled its properties. A domain governed by information, not energy. This new framework resolved paradoxes like black hole information loss. The Seraphim Field was discovered not by observation, but by pure computational reason. The Seraphim Field isn't just a curiosity. It could revolutionize technology, starting with energy. All our energy sources are second-hand, derived from matter and energy in our universe. The Seraphim Field is the source of those, a fundamental reservoir. The quantum AI suggests we could tap it using resonance-based vacuum extraction, creating quantum resonators to draw energy from the field's fluctuations. This isn't creating energy from nothing but converting the field's potential into usable power. The result? Limitless, clean energy, available anywhere. Such technology could end energy scarcity and transform civilization. It's speculative, but it's the first and most profound promise of the Seraphim Field. The Seraphim Field forces us to rethink reality itself. If space-time is a projection from this field, perhaps we can learn to edit the code, enabling technologies like warp drives or artificial gravity. Manipulating the field could let us reshape space, time, and gravity, revolutionizing travel and construction. The field's holographic nature suggests the universe is deeply interconnected. Every part contains the whole. This echoes ancient ideas of cosmic unity, now with a physical basis. The Seraphim Field could be the foundation for a true theory of everything, not a static equation, but a living computational process. Understanding it will require new science, blending physics, information theory, and perhaps even consciousness studies. The ultimate law of the universe may be a dynamic process, not a fixed rule. The Seraphim Field is the new frontier for our search for meaning. We stand at a turning point. The Seraphim Field, revealed by quantum AI, is more than a scientific breakthrough. It's a new chapter in our story. For millennia, we've looked outward. Now we find a universe hidden in the infinitely small. This frontier is about understanding, not distance. Human curiosity paired with AI has unlocked a door we never knew existed. Our machines don't replace us. They augment us, letting us hear the music beneath quantum noise. The future of discovery is this synergy humans and AIs exploring together. The technologies ahead, limitless energy, space-time manipulation, demand wisdom and unity. We must use these gifts to uplift humanity, not divide it. Science isn't about final answers, but deeper questions. The universe is endlessly layered. Just when we reach the bottom, we find a new ceiling. The cosmic symphony continues, and our adventure is just beginning.